Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, uMabusi. Guys, on this week on Umkhokha the Curse, we see uMabusi having a conversation no Mande, and she's like, Mabuzomela ngihambe ngiyofuna umzimba kamkhulu. As they speaking kanjalo, uSiphamandla comes in and he says ukuthi Mabusi ngizohamba nawe, sohamba sobabili. uManzimande is like, hayi bo nihamba kanjani because kumele ukuthi sixazulule le ndaba kaMamzobe nje. Hayi bo uSiphamandla is like, hey Mabuzomela ukuthi linde leyo ndaba because I'm going with my wife. We're going to look for umzimba. When they go wherever they are going, guys, to look for umzimba, they meet up with this lady, and this lady's like, nifuna lana. Ninenhlanhla ukuthi nomfana obizwa ngosikhumba that he hasn't done anything to you guys. Hambani lana niphindele la nivela khona. uSiphamandla's busy golozaring there. He's like, asihambi la singakatholi isidumbu ini. Next scene we see a scene where uMabusi and her husband are sitting in the house and there's gunshots, guys. uMabusi's like, yini leyo uyakhala. I'm like, Mabusi awuzwa, why ungalaleli? Hey bo guys, these people. Anyway, uMamzobe guys, uZobisto, it looks like her time has come to an end. We see the leaders of Ibandla having a meeting with her, telling her ukuthi wena you will be buried alive. By this time tomorrow, it shall be done. And it looks like Ubaba Udifa, he is going to be the one leading uMamzobe to the grave abamembele yona, so that she can be buried alive. Guys, it looks like it's going to be, hey, a hectic week. Shame uZobisto. I shouldn't even be saying shame because lalela no mama, hey, she's done her things, but hey, indlela adabukisa lakhona, you'd swear Woody, this is not the same person. Anyway guys, you tell me your expectations of Umkhokha the Curse for this week. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.